base gel with cuticle oil, and then I cured it. And it didn't work because the little nail that I put on came off inside of here. I mean, I guess that's okay because I can, take them off without like messing up the hand. So there's that, but it didn't work, boo-boo. Yeah, it did not work at all. So I can't put that on my fingers. I just have to buy the removable gel, the peel off gel. But that's okay because I still get to keep the nails. They didn't break. Yay me. That's about it though. Bye.